Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my energy using only hydration hacks for a whole week. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. Our bodies are made up of a significant amount of water, and it plays a crucial role in almost every bodily function. Many of us are walking around dehydrated without even realizing it, and it's affecting our energy levels, focus, and even our mood. Fatigue and low energy levels are common complaints among people of all ages. You might be someone who's always feeling tired, sluggish, or just can't seem to get through the day without a nap. Dehydration can exacerbate these problems, making it even harder to get through your daily tasks. Sometimes, we might be experiencing fatigue and we attribute it to other factors, but dehydration could be the underlying cause. So, what can we do to stay hydrated and boost our energy levels? One simple hack is to drink water before meals. This can help with digestion and even aid in weight loss. You can also try infused water recipes, like adding slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water for a refreshing twist. Incorporating hydrating foods into your diet, such as watermelon, celery, and tomatoes, can also make a big difference. Another hack is to drink water as soon as you wake up, to rehydrate after a long night of sleep. The most impactful hydration hack that I want to share with you is to drink a full glass of water as soon as you feel tired or sluggish. I personally started doing this a few months ago, and I've noticed a huge difference in my energy levels. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Drinking water can literally turn your day around. I like to keep a water bottle with me at all times, so I can take a sip whenever I need it. Try it out and see how it works for you. To recap, we've covered some simple yet effective hydration hacks to boost your energy levels. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can say goodbye to fatigue and hello to a more energized and focused you. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite hydration tips? Let me know in the comments below. If you are interested in more health and wellness tips, be sure to check out my video on 10 morning habits to boost your productivity, for more ideas on how to start your day off on the right foot.